Welcome to VT Network Mining App video tutorial. In this video you can learn how to collect VT boosting key, how to apply VT boosting key and how to increase mining hash rate power. If you have not VT Network Mining App, just go to phone browser and enter vigortoken.com. Click the download app image and complete the APK download. Wait for download APK. After download APK, open it. Click the install option. Now click Open to enter VT Network Mining App. Allow camera permission to update profile. Allow camera permission to update profile. Allow notification permission to get all important updates in your phone notification. Now click to enter button to start using VT Network Mining App. Fill up the full sign-up form with valid email address, strong password, confirm password, and if have any referral code who refer you, just put the refer code and click the privacy policy agreement and then click to sign up. Go to your email inbox or spam folder and you receive a verification code. Copy the code and enter in the app and then click to verify button to go dashboard. Go to your email inbox or spam folder and you receive a verification code. Copy the code and enter in the app and then click to verify button to go dashboard. Click the follow Twitter. Now follow our official Twitter account. Enter your Twitter username, which account you have used to follow. Click retweet pinned post. This is pinned post, you have to retweet this post. Click here to retweet. Click here to retweet. Copy your retweet post link. Submit your copied retweet link. Click subscribe Telegram. Open your Telegram for joining. Click here to join our Telegram. Submit your Telegram user ID and click Start Mining to get 5 VT and lifetime free mining hash power. Click here to apply boosting key. Click here to apply boosting key. You need to submit VT boosting key in here. For collecting boosting key, go to MetaMask dApp browser. Visit bnbvigor.io and then click Sign Up button to create Bnb Vigor account by 0.05 BNB. Click MetaMask option to pay 0.05 BNB for creating account. Click to confirm your payment for successful sign up. After successful payment, your account has been created for unlimited 12-level referral income and you have got a VT boosting key. From menu bar, enter the VT boosting page by clicking VT boosting key menu. Yes, you have gotten VT boosting key. It is your sign up VT boosting key, speed per hour 0.0130 VT mining. Just copy this VT boosting key and paste in app VT boosting mining. If your key is valid, submit this key and it is successfully applied and your VT hash power has been increased automatically. After successfully applied, you can see your VT boosting key is now used in Bnb Vigor account. You can also get Smart Matrix join, Team Org join and per direct referral in bnbvigor.io. Just follow the video as usual and collect more and more VT boosting key and apply into your VT Network Mining App to mining VT.